Hi, welcome to the .NET Core Blazor series. In the previous video, I was implement the product added logic to our Blazor server application. So in this video, I am going to implement the delete product logic to our Blazor uh, server project. So just add this one Blazor page, which will be the product delete, and just it take some time and name it the product delete and okay submit. So now I have to define the URL. For the URL will be same like the product added. Just copy this and paste it here. Just change the name here, delete, uh, and it's just because it will accept the ID. So that's why I am passing the ID in the angular bracket. So it will be same, just like the added product. So because first we will get the product, and after that we will delete the product which will be get. So now move to the uh, copy all of this logic and paste it here. I need to modification some modification for that. So just copy this code and paste it here also. So uh, just add the references for that and copy and paste all the references here. So as you can see that I have pasted all the things. So on initialized, so it will fetch all the record, and I have to delete the all the record which is fetched. So I have select this template to show the product detail. Just copy this and move to the product, delete and paste it here. So now I have to modify this according to my requirements. So just change this the title with the product details, and I don't need this. So just copy this and I just add it here and name it product name and the video dot product name. So just copy this and paste product price will be the product price and product category, sorry, product category, and in the last I have to display the description product description. So I don't need this. Now I have to add the button, which will be first I have to create the method which will be used to delete delete an item. So just create name it the private and async task and delete product. So now I have to get the URL. So move to the static endpoints and add endpoint here. Just move to the API project and see the so API products. Just name it the delete. So delete API product here. I have to just call them delete. It will call the API URL, and now simply I have to call the API UI, which is the API URL, and now retrieve dot ID. So just move it. No, no. Delete. And if is success is equal to true, then it will be navigate to the product list. Otherwise, it will be redirect. It will show the message. Uh, okay, I have not displayed the message. So just move on the top and add one other logic. Just go to the product edit and copy this logic from there. I think I did not have add. It's okay. Logic is here. So copy this and paste it here. Now I have to just change not success, so it will display that something went wrong. So in I have set the value true when user come, and otherwise it will display the return the false if there is no item or something is not happened to the API. So just add breakpoint here and test the APIs, test the product. Okay, okay. One thing I have forget to add link here for to call the product delete. So just add it here and change the text with the product, delete product. So just run the project and see it's working fine and according to. So the project runs successfully, and as you can see that in the action column, you can see that here is the added product and the delete product. So just click on the delete product and see what happened. So when I click on the delete product, what's going wrong with this? As you can see that here is the product details. So delete button is not added. Okay, it's my mistake. Just move to the product delete, and I have to add one button which will be used to delete the product. So just create one div and class. I have to name it the on button click at the rate on click. I have to call the method. I have to call the method which is the product delete. So add the class button and name the text. I have to expand and add the class. I underscore and delete. So you add the delete icon and just add the text here, delete product. So when you click on this, uh, the delete product. So it will call the method. This is a delete product, and it will be process. So just move, save, and move back, load it, and see what happening is. Here is the delete button. So just click on the delete, and you can see that here is the ID8 URL, and move to the product endpoint and add the breakpoint here. So to verify that it is working fine. As you can see that it's working fine. It's hit the delete uh, method in the product. So it is returning. I think it is returning the result as expected. And now removing the product. So product deleted successfully. So it's returning the why it's returning the false. So just move there and why our product is deleted. So there's no way to return the. Okay. It's my mistake. I am returning okay, not the not content. So I have to go in the base repository and change the no content to okay. So just try again. It's required the reviewer to apply the changes. Just now I have written the project, and as you can see that the product is deleted, and now I have to delete this product browsers. So click on delete and see what happening. Just continue, and its response is okay. So it's success too. So now it will navigate to. As you can see that the trouser product is deleted. So in this video, I have created the product delete Blazor page to implement the product deletion logic. So thanks for watching the video, and if you have any question, you can put your question in the comment box. And if you need the source code of this project, so the source code link of the GitHub is added in the description, so you can follow the GitHub link and download the source code.